Welcome viewers. Following the lifting of a gag request, previous President Donald Trump has conveyed a blistering assault, focusing on Judge Arthur Engoron, as well as a regulation representative related with the appointed authority. According to a report by Crude Story on Thursday, November 16, the new expulsion of a gag request, which hosted recently confined gatherings from unveiling remarks on a continuous legitimate matter, has opened the conduits for Donald Trump to straightforwardly communicate his perspectives. As we proceed with this video, please take out a minute of your precious time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates from us. This improvement has conceded him the freedom to reprimand the appointed authority, as well as a regulation representative connected to pass judgment on Engoron. In a progression of decisive explanations, Trump has released a blast of analysis, utilizing hearty language to criticize the law representative being referred to. Such immediate and strong editorial focused on a legal staff part addresses a takeoff from the standards of lawful etiquette, inciting reflection on the limits of passable talk inside the setting of continuous judicial procedures. The demonstration of scrutinizing a regulation representative, a figure frequently thought to be helper to the essential lawful interaction, acquaints an original aspect with public editorial on legitimate issues. Regulation assistants assume critical parts in helping decided with research, assessment drafting, and case the executives. Trump's immediate analysis influences the agent by and by as well as brings up more extensive issues about the legitimacy of people of note, focusing on people in steady lawful jobs. Trump's unrestrained comments highlight the unending strain between the option to free articulation and the need for limitation with regards to progressing legal procedures. While well-known individuals are qualified for offer their viewpoints, such articulation should be estimated to forestall the subverting of the respectability of the lawful cycle. The freedom of the legal executive depends on the view of unprejudiced nature and reasonableness. Trump's study, especially when coordinated towards an individual from Judge Engoron's staff, may incite worries about endeavors to impact or scare legitimate experts. This might actually think twice about open impression of an impartial legal executive. The lawful local area has quickly answered Trump's scrutinize, stressing the requirement for regard and decency and open analysis on legitimate issues. Bar affiliations and lawful researchers assume vital parts in forming public talk around judicial actions. Their reactions to such occurrences might impact the more extensive public view of the legal executive. Trump's editorial ensuing to the lifting of the gag request prompts reflection on the normal lead from previous presidents. As people of note with significant impact, there exists an inborn obligation to practice restriction and open critique, maintaining the respect of the lawful cycle. The outcome of the lifted gag request has seen Donald Trump conveying a phenomenal evaluate, stretching out not exclusively to pass judgment on Engoron, yet additionally to a regulation representative related with the adjudicator. This takeoff from standard lawful respectability brings up issues about the limits of allowable public critique on continuous legitimate issues and the possible repercussions for legal autonomy. As judicial procedures proceed, the fragile harmony between the option to free articulation and the basic of maintaining the honesty of the legitimate interaction stays under extraordinary public examination. What is your take on this video? Please kindly drop your comments and thanks for watching.